Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about traveling is great, but it can be overrated as well. Another thing that one thing that I think a lot of people forget while they're traveling. I think I read a comment thread. I don't remember where I read it, but I can't remember where I read a story about a person that was describing his own travel experience. He um, uh, he along with his wife, he was one of those people who just wanted to travel for his entire life. He and his wife just wanted to live live at one place for 6 months and then move again, and then live at another place for 6 months and then move again. Those kinds of expat travelers, I guess. So I'm like, fine, if you can do it, if you have enough money, fine, you are more than free to go to live your life the way you want to live. But always remember one thing specifically. For the love of God, always remember one thing specifically. No matter what you do, always be cognizant, or try to be cognizant of the amount of money that you have in your bank account. Trust me, if you don't keep tabs of what you are doing, if you don't keep tabs of the way you're spending, the way you are conducting your life financially, trust me, a lot of people have been ruined because of that. A lot of people have been ruined. So I can understand if you have the if you want to travel all around the world, if you want to travel to each and every country in the world, but realize one thing: it is going to be expensive. No matter how much of a uh, uh, or no matter how much of a cheap alternative, of a cheap hotel that you stay in, eventually, if you think that you can just travel all the time, and you are just not going to notice it financially, of course, unless you are a really rich person, you are a multi-millionaire or a billionaire, I can understand that you want to travel all the time, that you have a, I mean, just think you have a private plane, then of course you can just roam all around the world, in all the countries around the world, and you wouldn't have any problems financially. But if you are a middle class person, if you know that if you want to travel, fine, you can travel. But if you are going to if you are dedicate a huge amount of time in your life just for traveling, trust me, after a point you would feel the strain in your pockets. After a point you would feel it. So don't do anything, not just traveling, by the way, don't do anything in the world which will really sabotage you financially. Don't sabotage yourself. Don't sabotage your own life and your partner's life and your family's life just for the sake of a travel experience. That's all I'm saying. You want to go in, I mean, it all boils down to what kind of a person you are, what kind of financial habits do you have, what kind of an income do you have, what kind of a economic background do you have. It all boils down to that. And look, there's another aspect of traveling that a lot of people don't want to talk about. It's very enticing to go to a place, to go to a country which is uh, which is a developing country. A lot of people a lot of people seem to have this 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 uh, this image in their head that, um, a certain developing country, I'm not going to take any names, but a certain developing country is going to be a life changing experience, or another developing country is going to radically change your life, because it's going to be full of mysticism and all of that. But realize one thing: the fact, if you go to a developing country, the fact that it is called a developing country means that there might be certain problems within that country. If you come from a developed country and you are going for traveling in a developing country, um, which a country that might have a high crime rate, a country that might have a lot of problem about gun violence, or criminal gangs running amok, on the streets. If these kinds of problems are there in a country that you are traveling to, and you are just going there for the experience, and you might think that it's a different kind of country. I have led a very cozy lifestyle in my own developed in the country that I come from, which is a very rich country, and you are going to a country that is, of course, not so rich, and it has a lot of problems, a myriad of problems, and you think that it's going to be an adventure. Trust me, a lot of people have been killed because of their thirst for adventure. I'm not even joking. A lot of people have died because of their thirst for adventure. They have been kidnapped, and God knows what horrible things have happened to people in certain countries. So be cognizant of the fact that everywhere in this world isn't safe. Even in developed countries, there are certain places which are definitely not safe. There are certain streets, there are certain certain places, neighborhoods, where people think twice before going there, because bad people exist, and bad people exist everywhere. So it might be a great idea to go to another country for a life-changing experience, but you can also get killed in the process for the sake of having that little bit of adventure. I think I would not talk about this more in the next video. I might talk about something else in the next video, or maybe not. Until the next video, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.